Hi everyone. In this video, I am explaining one of the Java program which was asked me in the interview. So the program was related to map interface. So till this much code was already given. Whatever value is given, those many times the key should be displayed. So key is A here. The value is 1. One time the key should be displayed. For B key, value is 3. 3 times B should be displayed. And for C key, 2 is a value. 2 times C should be displayed. First element I have to retrieve from this my map. So how we retrieve the values in the map interface is with the help of for loop. So I'm using for loop here. For map dot entry. Map dot entry is an interface is from map interface. So with the help of this, we are retrieving one element from the map interface, my map. So interface data types are in the form of string and integer, right? So that I am declaring here. Elements are in the form of string and integer. So I'm creating one variable. I'm retrieving one element from map interface and I'm storing into entry variable. This is the variable I'm storing. So what is our map interface here? My map. Okay, my map dot. How you are retrieving one element from the map interface with the help of entry set method. This is the abstract method from the map interface. With the help of this, we are retrieving set of elements from the map interface. Set of elements we are retrieving and one element we are storing into entry key here. So that too in the form of key and value pair. Map stores values in the form of key and value pair. The data type of that key and value pair is in the form of string and integer. So we are entering the loop here. First what we have to do? We have to retrieve the value of that particular key. So how we have to retrieve here? What is our variable where our key and value pair is stored? In entry variable. I am taking my entry variable. Get value is a method. With the help of this method, we are retrieving the value of that particular key. In this element, value is 1. So where I am storing? I am storing in one variable saying n. This value I am storing into n variable. For loop int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So what I am doing? Here n number of times I am iterating. What I am displaying here? I'm just using print. I'm just displaying in one line. So I'm using print. What I'm displaying? Entry dot get key. Get key is a method which helps to retrieve only the key of a particular entry. This outer for loop iterates next loop. So what will be the next value of this entry? B and 3. The key is B, value is 3. Here we are reading only value, get value. What is the value of our next iteration? 3. So that I am storing into n. So now n value is n. How many times this inner for loop iterate? 3 times. So we are started from 0. Less than n means 3 times from 0 to 2 times means 0, 1, 2. 3 times it iterates and displays get key. What is the key? B will be iterates 3 times and displays here. Now run the program. So, okay. Here we have to import the map. Import java.util. I'm just writing star here. So what are all the classes, interfaces are exist in utils class? All it will import. Not required to write separately for map and hash map. Okay. Now run the program. So this is what the output is. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts related to any technical related topics, you can comment me in the comment box. Definitely I will try to make video on those topics. Thank you.